I got these brown eggs. It's should be good. I really made brown eggs on the channel, so. I already kind of buttered the pan because I kind of forgot about making a video. I've been a little busy. I've had I was like looking out for a new spot to work. And it kind of ate up a lot of time because I had to talk to a lot of people. And then I guess I went on vacation. I was gonna cook some eggs on the road and stuff. I brought my camera. I brought a spatula. Pretty much everything you need to make eggs. I assumed they had pans where I was going. And yeah, I ended up not. Just some fluffed eggs, maybe an omelet. I wish someone would just put up a hard fight with me on this, I think Pierre just fell down somewhere. Yeah, this mug today. Pretty good. Oh, yeah. Get ready for a flip. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, she's ready. Get a plate. Well, I'll figure out that camera position one day. I think for now, I'll be alright. Salt. Finally got a new pepper grinder. The other one was kind of falling apart on me, so this one's much more consistent, which is great. I don't get huge chunks of pepper in the way. There it is. Yeah, throw a little hot sauce on there. I'll make more videos soon.